Hi guys, what we're going to be cooking today is a beautiful starter. Calamari with a tomato, cilantro, chipotle sauce. Okay, we're going to tenderize this calamari. So what we're going to do is add a little bit of milk in there, add in some garlic powder, a little bit of turmeric, just give it some colour. Now give everything a good stir and soak this for 24 hours. And you won't believe how tender this will get. Beautiful. Herbs, I absolutely love them. Got some beautiful sage there. I got some beautiful cilantro. And try and grow your herbs because they come in all different shapes and sizes. And they're fantastic for garnish. Beautiful. Okay, for the sauce, just dice your onion, slice your garlic. Okay, I've got a pan on a medium heat, olive oil in, and this is just a beautiful sauce. Add your onion in, add a pinch of salt, and sweat for about 5 minutes. Add your garlic in, and cook out the garlic for about 2 minutes. And also what I'm going to be using is this beautiful red smoked jalapenos. They'll give it a fantastic smoky flavour to the sauce. Absolutely beautiful. And I want this sauce to be very strong, so after 5 minutes, sugar, that helps a lot, salt, ground black pepper, so let's have a taste. That's got a beautiful smoky flavour. That would be fantastic with the calamari. So now what we're going to do is add some lime. And by adding the lime, it just gives it that beautiful, fresh tang. Let's have a taste. Got the beautiful smokiness there. Absolutely fantastic. The lime, the cilantro really is fresh there. That really gives it a lift. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to make a beautiful batter for the calamari. So flour in, milk in, 1 egg in. Now whisk everything together. And look, that's the consistency that you want. Beautiful. And you want to put that in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now these have been soaking for 24 hours. I've drained them, I've pat dried them, and we're going to fry them. They've been cooking for 2 minutes. Add some salt in, ground black pepper. Taste of one of these. Beautiful and crispy. Absolutely fantastic. So there you go guys, that's my beautiful calamari with a tomato chipotle sauce with cilantro. Got some roasted tomatoes, absolutely fantastic. Let's have a taste. Nice and crispy. Fantastic. Give it a go guys, you'll love it. Thanks guys.